I think the big goal of all this is to transition your house towards electricity and then offset that with solar, and that self-sufficiency feels good. A heat pump is an HVAC unit that does all of your cooling and most of your heating on electricity instead of gas. It goes hand in glove with what we're doing at Sandbox Solar because you can reduce your gas usage in the house and heat with electricity and then offset that high electric bill with more solar on your roof. And so that reduces all of your utility bills throughout the year. You know, wanted to have hands-on experience with my heat pump install so that I can help tell others how it works and be more knowledgeable. I trust Sandbox Solar doing our heat pump because we have master technicians on staff. Jason is great. He knows what he's doing. We don't have to subcontract the work because we have all in-house technicians. And that helps because on the front side, when I'm helping people talk about these ideas, I can bring in an expert in-house. He can go over the project with them, and he's the same person who's going to be installing it a couple weeks later. If you have an old air conditioner, replace it with a heat pump. There's no better place to do it than in sunny Colorado with Sandbox Solar.